you want to create personalized leaflets for your participants? Well, here's how to do it using Mailmeteor. First thing you want to do is open a Google Doc, and this is going to be your template. We have created ours, so we're a travel agency and we want to send out a leaflet that is going to be personalized with the recipient's first name, the destination, and we want them to leave a quick review, and that's about it. So once you've created your template, make sure you include the placeholders so you can personalize the details. And then next you'll want to go to extensions, Mailmeteor, and then click on new campaign. Now prepare your participant list in Google Sheets, list all participants and their details, make sure your column headers match your placeholders. For example, we've got first name here, we've got destination and email, which is not going to appear on our template. Back in Docs, you click on recipients and then you select a Google Sheets. Click on contact list tutorial, select, make sure you change the subject line. You don't want to pick any options because here we've got variables. Click on preview to check that everything is the way you want it to be. And then as you can see, Sally gets thanks for traveling, Sally, just got back from Cape Town, and same thing for all of our other recipients. Click close the dialog and send emails. And that's it, you've just created a mail merge in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Google Workspace tips. See you next time and happy merging!